free and smooth movement of the rear wheel of your motorcycle is key to an enjoyable ride. Any noise from the spindle due to lack of lubrication or wobbling in the wheels is an indication to grease the axle of the rear wheel. Here is how to do it. First, check if you have all the tools required for this activity. A 6 mm Allen key, a 24 mm combination ring spanner, a 14 mm open-end spanner, a screwdriver, extension tube. These are available in your motorcycle kit. Along with these, you will also need the tapping mallet and a can of grease. First, place the motorcycle on the center stand. Mark the alignment markings on the right hand and left hand side of the chain adjusters. Remove the brake adjuster nut with the 14 mm spanner. Pull out the brake cable from the drop arm and keep aside the parts safely. Use a screwdriver to hold the rear spindle from left-hand side and loosen the spindle nut on the right with the 24 mm spanner fitted to the extension tube. Remove the flat washer and the spindle nut. Gently pull the spindle out by holding it with the screwdriver. Now, remove the chain from the chain sprocket. Ask a friend to tilt the motorcycle on the left side so that you can roll the wheel out. Remove the left-hand spacer from the sprocket center. Remove the sprocket and place it on a clean and smooth surface. Remove the right-hand spacer and keep aside safely. Now, remove the brake assembly from the right-hand side of the wheel hub and place it on a clean surface. Remember not to place the wheel brake assembly on the floor. Do not apply grease on brake shoes and hub liner surfaces. To refit the wheel, start by attaching the brake assembly onto the wheel hub. Apply grease on the oil seal and on the bearing. Fit the right-hand spacer to the sprocket center. Align the sprocket with the wheel hub. Now, fit the left-hand spacer to the sprocket center. Apply a thin film of Royal Enfield grease on the spindle. Now, tilt the motorcycle and roll the rear wheel into its position. Put the drive chain back on the sprocket. Now, hold and lift the wheel with both hands to bring the swing arm eye and the chain adjusters on the same axis. Gently push the spindle into the swing arm eye. Tap it with a mallet on the left side to make it come out of the right side. At this point, you will have to adjust the free play of the chain. Refer to the chain play adjustment video tutorial to know how to. Fix the washer and nut on the spindle and tighten it with the 24 mm ring spanner while you hold the spindle with the screwdriver on the left. Insert the brake rod through the drop arm and tighten the brake adjustment nut with the 24 mm spanner. Finally, tighten the wheel spindle nut fully. Check the brake paddle for the recommended free play. Refer to the brake paddle free play adjustment video tutorial. Remember to visit a Royal Enfield service authorized center to get the bolts tightened to recommended torque. You're all set for the trip. Keep riding.